Flurgenschnurgle, Webkinz cough medicine. Oh, Webkinz love it. It's sweet tasting. Here are some satisfied customers.
It doesn't work. Why would I be coughing if it worked?
Why are you doing a commercial for a product that doesn't work?
It's nice!
Well, it would be nice if it worked.
Call 1-826-11111111111110. Not responsible for death. Ask your doctor before using Flurgenschnurgle. I use it and it works. Order now!